How to trade breakouts. In this video, I will show you the best and the most accurate way to trade breakouts. I will share with you the example of a real trade that I took on a live stream with my students, and I will teach you my breakout trading strategy. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. First, let me show you the breakout that we spotted with my students on a live stream. Now, let's check Euro Swiss. On Euro Swiss, I see potential shorting opportunity, and if we analyze Euro Swiss on a daily time frame, here on a daily you can spot this range. You can see that for some time Euro Swiss pair was stuck within that horizontal trading range. And you can see that the market violated the support of the range. You can see that after the breakout, presumably the broken support turned into resistance. And you can see that retesting the broken support of the range, we formed a nice doji candle on that. We can anticipate that after the breakout, the price will drop lower and we will reach our closest strong support. And from such a perspective, our closest strong support will be based on the gap opening level. So there's high potential that the price will drop to that support level. Remember that a valid breakout is the essential element of a breakout trading. Let me explain to you why that breakout was so important and what exactly it signified. Now let's discuss why the violation of this daily structure support was so important. The thing is that the market formed this range. And when the market starts trading within the range, it signifies that the market found the so-called fair value. It signifies that supply and demand found the equilibrium and the market stopped trending, and instead the market started to trade in sideways. It happens when all the market participants agree about current prices, and for that reason the market starts ranging. Moreover, if we execute the trend analysis on a daily, we can spot that here we got a significant bullish impulse. After the formation of that impulse, the market retraced, we set a higher low here, and then we set a new higher higher close. So from the price action perspective, it signified that the market started to trade in a bullish trend. You can see that here from the price action perspective, the market became bullish. And what we know is that in a bullish trend, the structure based on the last higher low is very important because its violation signifies the change of character. It signifies the violation of the trend, and the violation of the support based on the level of the last higher low means that the trend here is no more bullish, that the trend is violated, and for us it is a very important bearish signal. After such a violation, the broken structure turns into resistance, into a very significant resistance, from where with a very high probability the market will drop. But in order to spot the accurate breakout trading setup, it is not enough to just spot a breakout. It is not enough to just confirm the breakout of a structure and then open a trading position. After the breakout, we are waiting for the retest of a broken structure. We are waiting for the moment when the market returns back to a broken structure, and there we start looking for an intraday signal to sell that will increase the probabilities that the market will drop. And now back to the live stream. We analyze a 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can spot here that the price formed a cup and handle formation after the test of the broken support. You can see that here the price formed a cup and handle pattern, and at the moment we can spot the breakout attempt of its neckline. Multiple time frame analysis plays a crucial role in my breakout trading strategy. Let me explain to you why you should execute top-down analysis and what exactly gives you the accurate trading signal. As we discussed, after a retest of a broken structure, we are looking for a confirmation. And we spotted a bearish breakout on a daily. So from that broken support that turned into resistance, we are looking for a bearish signal. We are looking for a bearish price action pattern on a 4-hour or an hourly time frame. And in that example, we spotted the inverted cup and handle formation. Why this pattern here is so important? The neckline of the pattern is the minor support. It is the resort for the buyers to buy from, and we saw the willingness of buyers to buy from that support. The violation of the neckline is the local sign of strength of the sellers. Again, from the trend analysis perspective, you can see that here we got a minor bullish trend, and that support here was the last higher low in this minor bullish trend. And of course, the violation of the neckline is the local change of character. It signifies the violation of this minor bullish trend. And for us, it increases the probabilities that the broken structure will be respected, that the breakout is not false, and that soon the market will drop. Now let's return back to a recording of a live stream. The signal that we will look for is a 4-hour candle close below the neckline of this cup and handle. Once a 4-hour candle closes below that, we can open a short position on a retest of a broken neckline with the stop loss lying above the highs of the pattern. We can anticipate a bearish movement to the support that we spotted on a daily. You can see that at the moment, even though we got the breakout attempt of the neckline, now the price is recovering. The 4-hour candle closes in 36 minutes. I will return back to the chart in 36 minutes, check if the 4-hour candle closes below the neckline, and then I will set my sell limit order on a retest. After you spotted a valid confirmation signal, it's time to execute the trade. Let's study in details how to open the trade properly. Our bearish signal here was a 4-hour candle close below the neckline of the cup and handle formation. It confirmed the local change of character and the strength of the seller. After that, your perfect entry point is the retest of a broken neckline of the pattern. It will give you the safest point from where you should sell the market. And when the market retested the broken neckline, I immediately sent the signal to my students to open a short position on pound Swiss pair. Safest stop loss is lying above the highs of the pattern. And remember that if the price goes up and violates the highs of the pattern, that is the false confirmation. And if the price goes higher, most likely it will signify that the breakout on a daily was false. Our take profit for the trade was the closest daily structure support. And according to my rules, the closest support was the gap opening level. Here, it was the significant support that we were monitoring. And remember that there are a lot of bearish price action patterns. Double top, head and shoulders, descending triangle. There are a lot of bearish patterns to trade. Cup and handle formation is just one example of a bearish confirmation. However, there are a lot of price action patterns that you can rely on. Now let's see what happened with the market after 2 days of waiting. As you remember, we decided to short Euro Swiss, and here was the trade that we were holding for quite a long period of time. You can see that here we spotted the cup and handle formation that was formed after a breakout of the daily structure support. Then we retested the broken neckline, we retested the broken daily structure, and you can see that here was our entry, and the market almost reached our stop loss, but the price perfectly respect that local high. We were coiling around that, and these fundamentals, the EU fundamentals that were shared this morning, pushed the prices down, and the take profit level was reached. With my breakout trading strategy, I applied 2 time frames. Daily time frame for a key level breakout, 4-hour or 1-hour time frame for a price action confirmation. It is a very powerful combo that I use for many years. Let me know, traders, in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, traders, if you want to see how I trade live, if you want to learn my trading strategy and see how I trade different strategies live on daily live streams, do not forget to check my trading academy. The link in the description below. Also, traders, please watch my other videos.